Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to hyperlink or add a link to an image using Stackable Blocks. Okay, this is real simple. We have a new page here and we'll call it hyperlink on Stackable. Okay, and we have Stackable open here. We will just have to find image block or image, okay, just as an example. We'll click on it and we'll double click on it and we'll choose one of our images here. Let's go ahead and just choose this laptop one. Okay, select, and our image should appear here. And we can probably change the aspect ratio of this as well, make it square and make it smaller. Okay, now let's head over to our advanced tab over here and click on the link. And here we can paste a URL. I'm just going to use this contact us one. I'll hit enter, and there we have our link. And we can click on this pencil icon to change the link to whatever we want. Just hit enter to make it work. We can have it open in a new tab, okay? And if it's a link to a video or an image, we can have it open up in a lightbox, okay? So let's go ahead and click on publish and see how this looks like. Okay, so now let's go ahead and click on view page to see our finished product. And here we have our image. Let's go ahead and click on this, and it opens up in a new tab, our contact us page, okay? So there you go. There's how you add a link to an image in Stackable's image blocks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.